Gonna do some modifications on one of my other machetes. This just one, it's not an expensive machete, but it's one that I like. Cuts pretty good. I just don't like the way that this handle is. It's pretty small. So I'm gonna take this handle off and replace it with a wood handle. I'm just gonna make a handle, something to hold it and get a little more leverage on it when I'm using it. I'm gonna show you all something with this handle. There's only, it looked like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. On the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there are actually 3 screws holding this together. This one. And that's why I'm taking that apart. Redoing a lot of this stuff. 2. The 3 screws that hold it together. And that's your machete. Your machete handle. It's held by some plastic tabs. So I'm gonna take all this out. I'm gonna use this hard wood that I have laying around the house. Okay, I have the handle piece that I'm going to use. I have it cut. And make sure I have these holes in the right spot. That's what I'm going to drill. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that saw and I'm going to make a cut straight down here, so I can slide this blade in the slit that I'm gonna make to around right here. to this spot right there. Okay. Here. And drill these holes here for the screws next. I have the holes lined up, and I'm going to use some screws to connect the two pieces together. Then I'm going to round off the edges. Thought about gluing it, but it wasn't glued with the other grip, so why glue it on this one? These screws should hold it. It's enough to connect to the other piece without cracking or splitting the board. And if it do split, just do it over again. Had to change my plans because those screws did not connect at the bottom, so I went with some longer ones. Okay, I can feel it. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, I got the screws in, and you see they're coming out on the other side. I'm gonna cut these pieces off, then I'm around the handle. Okay, I just cut the little screws off. I'm gonna going to round the handle off on the edges. Okay, I have finished the handle that I was gonna show you all. This handle, I can hold it a lot better now. I am going to sand it down a little, and I'm going to file these little the pieces that's sticking out. But overall, I think I'm gonna like this one. Hit that like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching.